Most business owners don't fall behind on bookkeeping on purpose. It happens because it's repetitive, time-consuming, and easy to push off when you're busy doing everything else. The reality is, a lot of bookkeeping work doesn't need to be done manually. The right accounting software can automate repetitive tasks so you can focus on running your business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate some of the biggest bookkeeping time drains using smart tools built into your accounting software. Xero is one great option that offers these kinds of tools. It's an accounting and bookkeeping platform designed to help small businesses manage their finances in one place, handling transactions, bank reconciliations, invoicing, and reporting without a lot of manual work. I'll walk you through exactly how these automation features work so you can see what this looks like in practice. And if you're not currently using Xero, stay tuned until the end of the video for a special offer. Thanks to Xero for partnering with us on this video. So let's start with one of the biggest wins, automated bank feeds. Automated bank feeds are exactly what they sound like. Instead of manually uploading your bank statements or entering transactions, your bank and credit card accounts connect directly to your accounting software to sync your transactions automatically. That means your income and expenses are added to your books every day without you having to touch a spreadsheet. There's no downloading, no importing, and most importantly, no playing catch up weeks later. This alone can save hours each month, especially if you have multiple accounts or use business credit cards regularly. It also reduces errors because transactions are pulled directly from the source instead of being entered by hand. Inside Xero, setting up bank feeds is straightforward. You connect your bank account, authenticate it, and once it's live, transactions start flowing in automatically. From there, you can review, categorize, and reconcile transactions as they come in instead of letting everything pile up. Next up is recurring invoices. If your business bills on a regular schedule, like retainers, subscriptions, or ongoing services, recurring invoices can cut down on manual billing work. Instead of creating the same invoice over and over again, you set it up once and let your accounting software handle the rest. Invoices are automatically generated and sent on a schedule you choose. This saves time, but more importantly, it helps protect your cash flow. Invoices go out on time every time without relying on memory or reminders, and that usually means you get paid faster. Recurring invoices work best when your pricing and billing schedule are predictable. If every invoice is custom, this definitely may not apply, but for consistent billing, recurring invoices are a huge time saver. Accounting software like Xero makes this easy. You create a repeating invoice, set the invoice date, due date, frequency, and end date. Once it's active, Xero automatically sends the invoice and records it in your books with no extra steps. Another big area where automation helps is expense tracking. Instead of saving receipts and entering expenses later, modern accounting tools let you capture expenses as they happen. That includes snapping photos of receipts, matching expenses to bank transactions, and keeping everything organized in one place. This saves time throughout the year and makes tax season much easier. You're not digging through old emails or piles of receipts trying to remember what something was for. With Xero, you can upload receipts, assign categories, and match expenses directly to imported bank transactions. Everything stays connected, which makes reconciliation faster and cleaner. Beyond those core automations, there are a few more time-saving features worth paying attention to. Automatic transaction rules can categorize recurring expenses so you're not assigning the same vendors over and over again. Financial reports update in real time so you're not waiting until month end to see where things stand. And integrations with tools like payment processors or payroll software can reduce double entry across systems. If all of this sounds like a lot, start with the biggest time drains first. Get those working smoothly, then build out from there. So here's the takeaway. Bookkeeping doesn't have to take over your schedule. When you automate the right pieces like bank feeds, recurring invoices, and expense tracking, you spend less time managing data and more time actually running your business. If you want to see these tools in action, Xero makes it easy to build automation directly into your accounting workflow. And at the time of this filming, we've partnered with Xero to offer 90% off for 6 months. You'll find that link in the description along with our full Xero review if you want to learn more. Put the repetitive stuff on autopilot and keep your business moving forward. Thank you for watching, Mavericks. I'll see you in the next video.